To sign up for HSBC UK mobile banking, start by downloading the HSBC mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and select the option to register for mobile banking. You will then be asked to enter your personal details, including your name, date of birth, and postcode. Next, you will need to provide your HSBC account details, including your account number and sort code. You will also be asked to create a username and password for your mobile banking account. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before, and make sure to keep it secure. After entering your details, you will receive a verification code by text message or phone call. Enter this code into the app to verify your identity. You will then be asked to set up a digital secure key, which is an additional layer of security to protect your account. To set up the digital secure key, you will need to choose a password and a memorable question and answer. This will be used to verify your identity when you log into your account. Once you have set up the digital secure key, you will be able to log into your mobile banking account and start managing your finances on the go. Make sure to keep your mobile banking app and device up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Also, always log out of your account when you are finished using it, and never share your login details with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and easily sign up for HSBC UK mobile banking and start enjoying the convenience of mobile banking.